How to swap at Nusa Finance. Visit nusa.finance and click Go to Apps. Hover to trade in the navigation bar and click Swap. Connect your wallet on the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure your wallet is already logged in from the extension. Choose the token you want to swap by clicking the token list. Or input the token contract address. Input the amount of token you want to swap. If you want to add all your balance, click on the Max button. Click Swap and approve. Give permission to your MetaMask, click Confirm. Then check your MetaMask if your transaction has been approved. You will only need to do this once. Click Swap again. And then confirm swap. Check on the transaction and click Confirm to proceed. A confirmation pop-up of your transaction will appear when transaction is completed.